Imagine if cancer prevention came down to an equation, something that we could influence every day. Not genetics, not luck, but choices we make with our fork, our feet, and even our thoughts. That's the idea behind the lifestyle equation, the way diet, exercise, and stress combine to shape our lifetime cancer risk. Cancer can feel unpredictable, but research shows that up to 30 to 40% of cancers are linked to modifiable lifestyle factors. That means that our daily habits can tip the scales toward higher or lower risk. And understanding this equation gives us power, not perfect control, but meaningful influence. Let's start with diet. Think of your cells as tiny factories. They work nonstop, and the fuel you give them affects how well they function. Ultra-processed foods that are high in sugar, high in fat, and low in fiber can lead to chronic inflammation, a state where the immune system is constantly on a low simmer. Over time, that simmer can damage DNA or encourage cells to divide faster than they should. On the flip side, diets rich in plants, whole grains, and colorful fruits and vegetables act like anti-inflammatory, like fire extinguishers. These foods supply antioxidants, fiber, and nutrients that reduce oxidative stress and help regulate hormones involved in certain cancers. Basically, your diet can either add kindling or remove it. Exercise is one of the most powerful and underrated cancer prevention tools that we have. When we move, our muscles release molecules called myokines that help reduce inflammation and improve immune surveillance, which is the body's ability to detect and eliminate abnormal cells. Exercise also helps regulate hormones like estrogen and insulin, both of which, when elevated, are associated with increased cancer risk. Think of exercise as like a reset button that keeps biological systems balanced. Even just 30 minutes of walking a day can significantly reduce the risk of breast, colon, and endometrial cancer. Now, we all experience stress, but chronic, unrelenting stress is different. Long-term stress floods the body with cortisol, a hormone that suppresses immune function and increases inflammation. High cortisol over time can even alter how cells repair damaged DNA. Your immune system is like a neighborhood watch. When stress takes over, the watch falls asleep and abnormal cells can easily slip by unnoticed. Managing stress does not mean eliminating it entirely. Practices like consistent sleep, mindfulness, social connection, and modest physical activity all help lower cortisol and strengthen immune defenses. Diet, exercise, and stress don't act alone, they interact. A poor diet increases inflammation, which then stress amplifies that inflammation, and then inactivity further worsens hormone imbalance and slows immune detection. But positive changes also multiply. Exercise reduces stress, a healthy diet fuels better sleep, and lower stress helps regulate hormones. That is the lifestyle equation. Small daily choices that add up. They push our biology toward resilience or towards risk. While we can't eliminate cancer risk entirely, we can meaningfully shift it. Every meal, every walk, every moment we give ourselves to just breathe becomes part of this equation. Understanding this empowers us, not with fear, but with possibility.